Welcome back. Akanksha Salunke's feat of winning the Dutch Open has put Goa on the international squash map. The youngster from Vasco is now more hungry for success. Akanksha is a goodwill brand ambassador of Dempo Group of companies.
Having already achieved a lot of success at various squash tournaments, Akanksha has now added a glittering European title to her collection. Akanksha finally won the junior title recently in Amsterdam after her previous close misses in the European circuit at the Scottish and Belgian Junior Open. According to Akanksha, her hard work in practice sessions prepared her for the Dutch challenge.
I worked really hard for this. As for the preparation, I had done nothing special. It was just that it was more dedicated practice and worked really hard, and the importance of fitness gave out a result, and the fitness part was really important, so we worked on that, and and then I think this will boost my confidence and the hunger for the game, and obviously it will have a good result in the future.
Akanksha's mother Kavita thanked the Dempo Group for helping Akanksha to fuel her squash dream.
Really thankful to Mr. Srinivas Dempo, chairman of Dempo companies. Because of them, Akanksha has reached till here.
Our reporter from Vasco, Dishant Parab for Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.